Hi, welcome back to Bites MD. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy meal in 15 minutes. One of my favorite street foods is called Yakisoba. Add some olive oil. I'm going to add some shallots. Once you can smell the aroma, we'll add in our shrimp in. If you notice, I didn't season the shrimp, mainly because the shrimp tends to be a little bit salty already. The shrimp is about 50% cooked. I'm going to take it out. Put some more olive oil. I'm going to put the Nara shallot in there. I have here some napa cabbage. I really like this cabbage because it's very sweet. Once the cabbage has been reduced down, I'm going to add my udon. I'll add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, tablespoon of oyster sauce, rice vinegar, a little bit of mirin, probably like a teaspoon, sesame oil, another teaspoon. Now for the tricky part is that you gotta constantly stir this or else it'll burn the udon. The nice thing about the udon is that it absorbs a lot of that flavor. You can add whatever protein you want. I have here some old chicken breasts. You can use a darker soy sauce to really get that flavor or that color that you normally see. And the black pepper. It's pretty much done. I'm gonna add in the rest of our shrimp. Just a touch more soy sauce.
Ooh! Ah!
We have yakisoba today.
This looks good. This looks good. Noodles are amazing. They're very chewy. Did you make these yourself?
No, that's been store-bought.
It is very fresh. The shrimp is perfect. Is this pork?
Chicken. Since you ate all the skin of the chicken, I shredded the chicken.
Who would do that? It was like perfectly crispy. You can't blame me. And they left it. I wanted the snack. This is really good. So if you're wanting a little bit of an oilier meal, just a little. Something to satisfy your carb and fat craving. With some protein mixed in, this is perfect. And then I guess if you wanted to make it healthier, you could add more veggies.
It's actually all olive oil, so it is healthier fats.
Ah.
And I use like 1 whole napa cabbage in there.
So you could go everything. It's perfect. And it just like warms your belly too as it goes down. A++.